Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we believe is the best Thanksgiving coloring books activity set for kids' harvest theme. If you're planning a fall-themed party, hosting a classroom event, or just want to keep your little ones happily engaged during the festive season, the TINYMILLS Fall Harvest Thanksgiving Coloring Book Set is going to be your go-to solution. Let's unpack exactly why. First, let's talk about what's included. This set comes with 12 fall-themed coloring books and 48 crayons, making it a complete party favor bundle in one package. That means every child gets their own book and 4 crayons, ready to start coloring right out of the box. Each book is filled with harvest-themed illustrations perfect for the Thanksgiving season. Whether it's pumpkins, turkeys, leaves, or festive treats, the designs capture that cozy fall feeling kids love. Now, the colors of the crayons are red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. A vibrant and classic palette that pairs beautifully with the fall illustrations. The books themselves are compact and kid-friendly, measuring 7 by 3 by 9 inches. That makes them easy to slip into a goodie bag, a school backpack, or to hand out at church festivals and community events. Speaking of which, these aren't just great for parties. TINYMILLS designed this set with versatility in mind. Their ideal is classroom rewards, treasure box fillers, homeschool activities, Sunday school handouts, VBS lessons, or carnival prizes. Instead of cheap plastic trinkets that end up in the trash, you're giving kids an activity that sparks creativity, builds fine motor skills, and keeps them productively entertained. One thing to highlight here is how this product supports a small business. In a world dominated by mass-produced party favors, it's refreshing to see thoughtful, themed products that come from smaller creators focused on quality. This set is practical, meaningful, and supports independent sellers. That's something we always love to see. From a parent or teacher's perspective, it checks all the boxes. It's mess-free, requires no supervision, and kids are genuinely excited to receive it. The coloring pages offer just enough detail to keep preschoolers and kindergarteners focused without being overwhelming. It's the kind of gift you can confidently use in a variety of settings, knowing it's both age-appropriate and fun. So, whether you're planning a fall carnival, preparing Thanksgiving goodie bags, or organizing a classroom activity before the holiday break, the TINYMILLS Fall Harvest Thanksgiving Coloring Book Set is a standout choice. It combines value, creativity, and festive charm in one thoughtful package. It makes the season just a little more colorful for the kids who receive it. That's it for today's feature on Product Critique. If you're looking to make your Thanksgiving gatherings more joyful and stress-free, this set might just be your secret weapon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.